Congratulations. You've cleaned out your closet. You've got the things that you love remaining, and you've identified your 8 most important staple items. Now, everybody's lifestyle is different. So your staple items might be related to your job, or it might be related to being a stay-at-home mom, or it might be related to the gym. Whatever your staples are, whatever your lifestyle is, whatever is most important to you, you now have that on a list. These are my 8 most important staple items. Now what I'd like you to do is take a look at those items and decide what is it about these items that puts them on my most important list. Is it a fabric? Is it a color? Is it a texture? Is it a particular pattern that you used when you made that piece? Is it because it came from somebody? Whatever it is, write down what you love about those staple items, because these characteristics are something that you want to use as you build out your wardrobe and as you start making decisions for your future wardrobe pieces. So really get in touch with what is it that I love about these pieces and why do I want to keep them? Are they comfortable? Are they hard wearing? Is it something that you can layer all the time? Does it move from season to season? Really give it a hard look. Put this on pause and write down what are the characteristics of your 8 staple items that makes you fall in love with them. Okay, see you in a minute. Now I want you to take a look at those staple items and the things that you kept in your closet. And I want you to think about the items that you chose not to keep. What was it about those items that you just didn't love, that didn't work for you? Was it a color? Was it an intensity of a color? Is it a texture? Is it a particular cut of a pair of jeans or a dress? Or could it be something about you love the look of it, but when you wear it, you felt like you pulled it in a particular direction all the time, and it just didn't fit you right. Think about what are the things that I don't like. For me, one of my big things that I've learned about myself is that I love florals, but the floral prints need to be small. I'm a petite person, and I've learned that when I try to wear big floral prints, it just completely covers up my body and I lose myself in them. So I've always had to get rid of those. I buy them and then I have to get rid of them. So think about what are some of the things that you buy, but it just never works out for you. Is it a boxy shape? Is it a fitted shape? What is it that didn't work for you? And take a few minutes now, put me on pause, and think about what are the things that just don't work for me. And these are the things that I'm going to stay away from as I build my new wardrobe. So take a moment, jot down what is it that did not work for you.